Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone photo apps keeps crashing on iPhone after iOS 18 update. So guys, as you all know that iOS 18 is officially released by Apple, but after updating to it many of you are complaining that you are facing an issue of Photos app, that your Photos app is keep crashing and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix photo app not working or keeps crashing issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start our video. Our first step is to restart your iPhones. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches that may be causing the Photos app to crash. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply check your available space. So guys, insufficient storage space can sometimes cause apps to crash, including the Photos app. You have to go to the back and go to the General, go to iPhone storage, review your available storage and delete any unnecessary items such as old photos or videos, apps you no longer use, or large files. After this, then if do is simply foreclose the Photos app. Foreclosing the Photos app and reopening it can sometimes resolve temporary issues. Simply open it and then close it. And try opening it again and see if the issue fixed or not. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your all settings on iPhone. Resetting all settings will revert your iPhone settings to their default state without affecting your data. So guys, to do this you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Photos app not working issue or keeps crashing issue after iOS 18 update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.